Hi, it's Elaf, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some beautiful lifestyle images and videos using your own products. And in this case, I'm going to be using a bracelet to show you how to create the product videos and images. I'm making a series of videos showing you how to create AI videos and AI photos of your own products using different products in different niches. So if that's something that interests you, then feel free to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next. The content you use could be used anywhere, whether that's on your Amazon store or on your e-commerce website or on your social media or whatever it is that you need, assets for. And so feel free to use that, and you can use it commercially as well. And I think that's it. I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to create these images and videos. First, I'll create a photo of this model wearing this simple pearl bracelet. I'll drag and drop it from my folder to the background remover like before, and then send it to the second Studio Editor tab in order to crop out the flower. Then I'm going to click the green Generate Product Photos button when I'm happy. Onto my prompt, I'm going to say 55-year-old Thai female model, soft smile, bright white room, cropped arm shot, resting on top of a white table with this bracelet catching soft light. White backdrop, high-end look, white roses in the background, and then I'll click generate. This is a more detailed prompt, but sometimes the more detailed, the more accurate. I quite like how this first photo turned out, but the product is slightly impacted, so I'm going to regenerate. Once happy, I'm going to save the image, then generate again for variety. I also like how this one turned out, so I'm going to save it, and this is what they look like side by side. Next, I'll show you how to create these two videos of this bracelet. Just like before, we're starting on the background remover tab, upload a photo or select one you've uploaded before, and then click the generate product photos/videos button. It gets sent to the third tab, which is on image mode by default. So click videos, then type in your prompt. In this case, I want a 30-year-old Thai female model, soft smile, bright white room, cropped arm shot, resting off a white table with this bracelet catching soft light. White backdrop, high-end look, white roses in the background, looking at her bracelet, then up at the camera and click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, and then a video is generated. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to save it to my computer and generate a portrait video like before. You can see the AI has replicated it pretty well, which is great, and then I'll save.